today, this series is going to be on MIG welding patch panels.
And that's why today, we're introducing you to the Yoast 760 Di.
But today, I'm gonna teach you how to do the basics of TIG welding sheet metal.
All right, so the first thing that we need to talk about is where you're going to acquire your metal from.
This began with power washing the frame to degrease it. Then we turned to our 50-pound pressure blaster and several bags of Epix blasting media.
Let's take a look at how these kits can transform your bending capabilities. Tired of a limited workspace and struggling to find the script?
Otherwise, you end up running around like Ricky Bobby, and you're like, I'm on fire! I'm on fire!
Need to hold round stock? The integral pipe jaws grip from is old news. Dave fell.
There's a link in the description below. Make sure you click on that and check it out. And don't forget to like, share, comment, thumbs up, and take care.